Put the turkey breast fillet, add a sprig of rosemary, crushed garlic clove and pour a small amount of olive oil. Salt the meat, pepper and roll the marinade. Fry the fillet with rosemary and garlic in a frying pan, adding a little vegetable or olive oil. Fry for a few minutes on each side. Add a small piece of vegetable oil to the pan and fry in the melted butter. Cut into small and thin slices of zucchini and thin half rings of red onion. Mix the zucchini and onion in a bowl, squeeze the juice from a piece of lemon on top. Add a little corn, red canned beans to the salad, salt this masterpiece to taste, put lettuce leaves and mix.